If you are looking for a Christmas dessert, look no further. Let me show you how to make this creamy, easy to make and delicious Christmas cocktail. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Without further delay, let's get started. For this video, I'll be using this fruit cocktail I got from the store. However, you can also use fresh fruit. I'll also be adding fresh fruit to it. Go ahead to drain the liquid from the fruit and then set it aside. If you are seeing this video for the first time, thank you for stopping by. On this channel, I share food content, so please subscribe, like, share and drop your comments. Thank you. Also, join me for a 12-day of Christmas vlogmas where I'll be sharing easy recipes that you can recreate for Christmas. After draining your fruit, transfer it into a bowl and then add the fresh fruit into it and give it a good mix. Then you set it aside. In another bowl, combine your double cream, condensed milk and evaporated milk and then give it a good mix. This is based on your own preference, how sweet and how creamy you want your fruit cocktail to be. And if you have watched up to this point and you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe, like, share and drop your comments, as this will help my videos to be recommended to other people. Thank you. Don't forget to also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Please like, share and drop your comments. Thank you. Pour in your cream mixture into your fruit, add in ice and give a good mix. Serve and enjoy your delicious Christmas dessert, and I bet you'd be wanting more. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow for another video. Bye.